Hi everybody, and welcome back. Today, I'm going to teach you how to draw a carrot character. So grab some paper and something to draw with, and let's get started. Okay, we're going to draw two characters this time, so make sure you leave enough space on your paper. We're going to start over here, and we're going to draw a rounded shape and come down. And here at the end, we're going to do kind of a squiggly. We're going to copy that same process on the other side. So come down, do a little squiggle, and close that. And there's the body of our carrot. Come to the top and go up, and then do some squiggly leaf shapes. We're going to do that a couple times. One more. Perfect. Now let's come on the inside of our carrot and give it a face. We're going to do a big eye right there. Another one right next to it. And then a couple of eyebrows. Let's finish our eyes with some pupils on looking to the side. And then a couple lines underneath the eyes. Let's give it our carrot a little smile. And then a few lines going around on our carrot. A few details. A little end. You did a really great job on that carrot character. I'm so proud of you. Before you go, let's draw one more. This time we're gonna draw a grumpy carrot, okay? So come over on this side. We're gonna start at the top and come down. And kind of make it squiggly this time. We're gonna do the same thing on this side. Come down, squiggly, just like that. Next, let's add the leaves on top. We'll come up, squiggle jagged lines. We'll do another one over here. Squiggle jagged lines and down, and then one more on top. Perfect, that looks great. Let's come into the inside of our shape and draw a straight line, and then two rounded lines underneath for our eyes. We'll fill in the pupils looking to the side. And then two lines underneath. And then we'll give our carrot a big grumpy mouth like that. We'll do another curved line here. A couple lines for the mouth pulling down. A line on the chin, and then we'll come in and do some grumpy teeth here, a tongue, and then a few lines around the carrot, some texture, lines and circles, and maybe some squigglies coming off for some little hairs. Just like that. And there we have our grumpy carrot character. Yeah. You did a really good job on that one. I'm so proud of you. I hope you'll come back really soon so we can draw more characters together. Bye.
If you haven't yet, please support me by subscribing to my channel. Also, visit YayBubbaDraws.com and sign up for my newsletter. There, you will be able to download free coloring books, hear about awesome art challenges, and win prizes. See you next time. Bye.